American suspected serial pedophile was denied bond by Mavoko Law Court on Tuesday for 7 counts of child sexual offenses, 18 months after he was released in unclear circumstances. The suspect, Mr. Terry Ray Krieger, aka Guka Terry, pleaded guilty to charges of child pornography in 2014 and was sentenced 50 years in prison. This comes at a time when Gender and Social Protection Cabinet Secretary Florence Bore announced stringent measures to curb online child exploitation and abuse.
The suspect, Terry Ray Krieger, aka Guka Terry, who has been in police custody since November 10, 2023, when he was charged for sexual assault on a minor in Mavoko Courts, was arraigned before Mavoko Senior Principal Magistrate Barbara Ojo. The magistrate denied the suspect the bond, terming him a flight risk and a fugitive in the country.
Given the foregoing, I decline to grant bond to the accused person for now. I direct that the State Council verify and ascertain from the relevant authorities the status of the accused person in relation to the crimes allegedly committed in the United States of America and report back to the court with due expedition, but not later than 30 days from the date hereof.
Later, he was arraigned before Mavoko Law Court Senior Resident Magistrate Ray Krieger and was freshly charged on 6 accounts, including sexual assault, being in the country unlawfully, child pornography, benefiting from child prostitution, promoting sexual offense to a child, and child abuse contrary to Children's Act. He pleaded not guilty to all accounts.
You are charged with the offense of benefiting from child prostitution contrary to the law, the particulars being that Terry Ray, alias Guka Terry, on diverse dates between 1st of October and 8th of November 2023 at Great Wall Gardens Estate, Phase 3 in Athi River South Sub-County within Machakos County. You permitted ABM, a child aged 3 years, to remain in your house so as to participate in indecent acts. Is it true or not true?
The prosecution told the court that the suspect had refused to give the password for his laptop, and they have appealed for the previous case file where the suspect was acquitted while serving a 50-year jail term in Committee Maximum Prison. The bond application hearing will be held on November 30th, 2023, and pretrial hearing begins on February 22nd, 2024. The second case in the new charges will be mentioned on January 24th, 2023. Krieger's case came first to light in 2013 when he was apprehended by Kenyan authorities and pleaded guilty to a charge of child pornography. Elsewhere in Vihiga County, sexual offenses have been reported to be on the rise. This was revealed during the Children's Service Month aimed at creating awareness against the vice in the community.
Kuanzia July 2022 kufikia Julai tarehe 1 mwaka hii wa 2023, kesi 58 za defilement. Kwa sasa tumeweza kukazana sana, tumeweza kufanya mambo mengine, lakini vile mmesikia kuna changamoto ya kesi kuendelea. Kuna kesi ambazo watoto wana mashahidi wanapotea tu.
This comes a time when the government has embarked on adopting stringent measures to fight and curb online child exploitation and abuse. Speaking in Kusitawi Village Children's Home in Thika East, Labour Cabinet Secretary Florence Bore has said that they have put in measures to address online child sexual exploitation.
Kenya is the first country in Africa to have in place a national plan of action to tackle online child exploitation and abuse. According to the 2019 National Violence Against the Child Survey report, over 50% of children have faced at least one form of violence in their lives.
The CS was accompanied by Principal Secretary Joseph Motari, and Area MP Alice Nganga noted that the state has put in place laws to provide for children's rights, including protecting them from radicalization, trafficking, child labor, rights to parental care, among others.
Government has enhanced its efforts to protect children from retrogressive harmful cultural practices such as female genital mutilation and child marriage through engagements with the affected communities and designing deliberate programs and strategies.
Reporting for TV 47, I'm Violet Auma.